Windows subsystem for Linux. Text editor. Ubuntu installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system explain. Ubuntu installation before system features enabled and setup. Desktop Windows search box lo enter turn Windows features. First option turn Windows feature on or off. Select Windows features. Middle section lo mouse scroll down. First one option virtual machine platform. Left side box tick mark set mouse left click. Second one Windows subsystem for Linux. Left side box tick mark set mouse left click. First button OK click. Enabled features verifying process start, searching for required files, applying changes. After Windows completed the required changes, display bottom side first button restart now click. System restart process completed. Desktop Windows search box lo enter CMD. First option command prompt. Select command prompt shell window display. Enter the WSL. Enter key press. Windows subsystem for Linux must be updated to the latest version to proceed. Already installed in your system WSL. Update the command. Copy this command. Freshly installed in your PC or laptop. Keyboard any one key press. Enter key press. Windows subsystem for Linux window lo first button. Yes click. Downloading Windows subsystem for Linux latest version 2.6.2. Downloading 0 to 100%. Completing until wait and here few minutes. Downloading process completed. Next installing WSL. Wait and here few seconds. Windows subsystem for Linux has no installed distributions. First one use WSL.exe file space hyphen list complete command copy keyboard shortcut key control C command line before enter key press keyboard shortcut key control V enter key press display online latest version Ubuntu old version Ubuntu 20.04 latest version Ubuntu 22.04 copy this text Ubuntu 22.04 keyboard shortcut key control C press next enter the Ubuntu command window maximize WSL space hyphen install space -d space keyboard shortcut key control V enter key press WSL using legacy distribution registration downloading Ubuntu latest version 22.0.4 LTS long time supported version 0 to 100% process completing until wait and here few minutes. In case install Kali Linux, copy this command Kali -Linux. Downloading process completed. Next installing. This may take a few minutes. Distribution also successfully installed. Welcome to WSL. Window display. Close. Enter new Unix username. Anyone enter username. Present system. Username PC. As its same enter. PC. Enter key press. New password. Enter. Minimum 8 digits above enter. Enter key press. Re-enter password. Enter key press. Installation successful. Display. Ubuntu ready to shell. Command line display. Enter. Exit. Enter key press. Logout display. Command prompt shell window close. Desktop Windows search box Ubuntu enter. First one Ubuntu latest version 22.0.4.5 LTS. First option select Ubuntu application related dependencies package update and upgrade packages. Enter command line, enter sudo space apart apt space update, enter key press, enter the password 8 characters above, enter key press. Ubuntu dependencies packages updating process start, window maximize, updated completed. Next upgrade command, enter sudo space apt space upgrade, enter key press. All packages upgrading process start, keyboard y key press, enter key press. All packages upgrading process start, wait and hear again few minutes. Progress command line లో 67% upgrading process completed. Next enter the command exit, enter key press. Windows search box లో Ubuntu first one select, new tab right top section లో down arrow click, fourth one Ubuntu option select, ls